Good morning, students. This is Umar, teacher of mathematics, and you're viewing my YouTube channel Maths with Umar. So, in this session, we are going to continue asset. So, previously we have seen asset session one. In that, we have discussed about 5 different questions of different concepts. So, today in this session, asset session two, we shall be discussing 5 more questions. Fine, with different concepts. So let us be ready. And as said, previously said, after watching the question, wait for 5 seconds and pause it, try to do it by yourself and check the concepts. Wherever needed, I shall explain the concepts, extra concepts which are there in the question. Fine. Okay, I hope you understand. So let us go for the asset questions. Let us practice. The first question for today, this session is if you add two odd prime numbers, the resulting number will be, see, whenever you add two odd numbers, the result will be even number. Is it right? Whenever you add two odds, the result will be even number. Is it right? For example, 5 plus 7, both are odd, it will be 12. So it is an even number. So the answer will be an even composite number. Okay. So now let us discuss about the other problems, other terminologies which he has used. See, he has used odd prime, even prime, odd composite, and even composite. Let me explain you what are odd, prime, and composite, everything. So we know the difference between prime and composite. See, what is a prime number? So prime number is a number which has factor as one and itself, right? So now what are composite numbers? So composite numbers have factors more other than 100 itself. That may one other than 100 itself. Other than 1 and itself. Is it right? Now coming to prime numbers, so we have all prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd except one number, that is 2. Except 2. So 2 is an even prime. Okay, it is the only even prime. Okay, that is why this answer is not there, because even prime is only 2, but when you add two odd numbers you will get other than 2. Is it right? Now let us go for the composite numbers. So what are composite numbers, my dear students? Composite numbers are the students which have factors other than 100 itself. So whenever you add even numbers, whenever you add two odd numbers, we get an even number. So even composite number, not odd composite number, because we get it as even. So let us go for the next one. Next question. A towel set consisting of a towel and 6 small napkins cost rupees 200. Okay, what is the first case he has given? Towel plus 6 napkins equals 200. Okay, fine. If the cost of each napkin, okay, cost of napkin is equal to how much? Cost of napkin is equal to 95 less than the cost of towel. So how you are going to write this? 95 less than 95 less than towel. Okay, so let us go for it. So what does he actually mean? Cost of towel minus 95. Okay, so t minus 9. What is the cost of towel? Okay, fine. So now substitute this t minus 95, n is equal to t minus 95 in the equation. Okay, so t plus 6 times t minus 95 equals 200. So it will be t plus 6t minus 695 is how many? 600 minus 6 5 is 30, it is 570. equals 200. So t plus 60, 70. 70 is equal to 200 plus 570, that is equal to 770. So now, so therefore, see, we got 70 is equal to 770, right? You have to find t. So transpose t to the other side, it becomes division. Okay, 770 divided by 7 equals 110. So cost of tile is equal to 110. This is the answer. Okay, so let us go for the next question. What is the least number of degrees by which the pointer on the dial below has to turn clockwise to move from position X to position Y? See, position X to a position Y. Before going to the problem, let me explain the concept of degrees and rotation. Okay, whenever a point rotates from one position in clockwise or anti-clockwise and it completes the full revolution, it moves 360 degrees. Is it right? Now coming to clock, how many hours are there? We have 12 hours. Is it right? So 12 hours means 12 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So that means for each position, how much? For each position, it takes what is the angle it moves? 360 divided by 12 is equal to 12 3s 36 and 30. So that means for each part it moves 30 degrees. Okay, so now how many parts here he has given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in the same way 20. So that means in order to move from this part to this part, so one part, how many degrees it's moving? Simple, divided by 20. So it will be 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 36 divided by 2 is 18 degrees. To complete 80, to move one part, the hand moves 18 degrees. Okay, so now let us see how many parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 parts. So what is 18 times 12? 12 8s 96 and 12 ones are 12 plus 9 216 degrees. This is the answer. See, whenever we see this figure, we think it is clock. And clock, we generally take it as 12 parts because we have 12 hours. So be careful in these problems. Whenever they give parts, you count the parts. Here it is 20 parts. Okay. So let us go for the next problem. So the difference between minus 7 square and minus of 7 square. Very good problem. See, let us see first minus 7 whole square. See, the square is for both minus and 7. So it has to be minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. It is 49. Okay. So now it is minus of 7 square. So here square is only for 7. So we are going to multiply only 7 twice. So it will be minus 49. Whenever they ask for difference, what we do actually, we subtract smaller from bigger. So the bigger one is 49. So let us subtract 49 minus of what is smaller number? Minus 49. So it will be 49 minus of minus plus 49, that equals 98 is the answer. See, generally here in a hurry we make mistakes. See, we don't see this minus which is outside. So 49 and minus 49 we write it as 0. Okay, here also we think it is 49, here also we think it is 49, and 49 minus 49 0. Is it right? So be careful. And one more mistake also generally students do. What is that? I'm doing it in red. See, if you get 49 correct and minus 49 also correct, but when we are subtracting we put 49 minus 49 because 49 minus 14. But actually he is asking the difference between these two. Difference means we have to subtract. Understood? So therefore the answer is 98. Be careful with these questions. So let us go for the next one. Which of the following expressions is the same as 4a plus a plus 5 minus 3b? See, it's the question of algebraic expressions, right? 4a plus a, 5a plus 5 minus 3b. So where is it? Yeah, in addition, what can we, it can be commutated, right? It is commutative property. So you can move the terms along with their signs. So what is the answer? 5a minus 3b plus 5. See, my dear students, generally students do this mistake in a hurry. So when you get 5a plus 5 minus 3b, in a hurry, we do it as 10a minus 3b. This is the reason he has given this answer also. So, but it is not the answer. Okay. And here also some students may make a mistake. 4a plus a, instead of adding, you will do it as multiplication. So this answer is given in order to confuse you. So 5 minus 3b, some students do this mistake. 5 minus 3, 2b. So you cannot, because 5 is a different 5 and 3b are unlike terms. So we can add only like terms. So be careful and focus on the question. Read it twice before going for any international benchmarking test. Okay, so see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, have a good day. So like, share and subscribe my videos so that I can get the comments and I can rectify the mistakes, and if any, and share it with your friends so that they also can benefit out of it. Okay, bye.